smiles like other people's faces.
What happened?
I didn't even see her.
See who, Dad?
Your mother.
Dude, it's only me!
I'm scared, man. You were right! That French giant is evil!
Look, if we stick together, we can beat Mom! All we need is a little time to come up with a plan.
Beat Mom!
Okay, I think we're safe here, buddy. Darwin?
Go on without me.
I'm not gonna leave you here!
It's too late for me. You're the only one who could save this family from insanity. I saw the flag from the tree just over that hill.
No! No!
Just go! Just go.